Today we're going to have a go at making a dog's face. Very simple dog's face. Something like this. To get started, we're going to start with a square piece of origami paper. Paper I'm using is white on one side, coloured on the other. So with the colour on the outside, we're going to fold it in half, line up the corners, fold it flat, and as a guide we're going to fold it in half again, then open it up. Next we're going to make two ears. So if we pick a spot about so far in, 1 centimetre or 2 from the centre, and fold an ear down. It's one of our ears. Now we want it to look as symmetrical as possible, so we try and make sure this distance here is the same as this distance here. That looks about right. So we fold those flat. That's our two dog ears. Next we want to make his face. So if we fold the middle up and fold it flat, what we're going to do is, because we quite like the white, we're going to take this top layer of paper and we're just going to tuck it inside. Now, final piece, we just fold the tip of the triangle, just fold it over and tuck it in behind. And that's our basic dog's face. What we can do is add some detail with a felt tip. So we can give him a nose. We can give him a mouth. Perhaps a few little spots. And then we give him a couple of eyes. And we can give him a couple of eyebrows. There we have it, our finished dog. Well, that's our two completed dogs. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you had a go yourselves. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, click on the thumbs up icon and give us a like. And if you'd like to see more videos on things you can make and create, hit the subscribe button and check out our channel.